For QYM picket weld, fence installation, the following items are required: post hole digger, straining line, tape measure, basic hand tools, socket set, screwdriver set, cockles drill, drivers and drill bits. For any type of trimming necessary, reciprocating saw or hacksaw, masking tape, file, and paint and Kramer paints. When laying out your fence line, measure 2.5 meters to center of a post as agreed. This will ensure the post spacing will accommodate panels. Mark pole centers with pen or sticks. We recommend a 0.5 meter depth and minimum. Depending on geographical region, the footing sides may vary to accommodate frozen or freezing conditions. Measure 2.5 meters to center of a post that agreed. Using a level plumb each side of post. Using a strain line or line of a set, align fence post so that the center of each post is aligned vertically. Refer to QYM product drawing for post installation height. QYM offers several brackets. QYM offers the universal bracket to fully contact all sides of the post for superior strength. This bracket also has the most versatility for fine-tuning the installation height. Slide universal brackets over post. Align bracket with panel rails. Then secure panel to bracket using carriage bolt and hex nut combination. The universal brackets are offset to easily attach any subscribed panels by stacking the brackets in alternating directions. The universal bracket design also allows the rails to line when installing the fence on excessive grades. QYM's line bracket is used on intermediate line post and attaches two panels to a common post. Position panel adjacent to line post. A line rail with one set of line bracket. Introduce remaining portion of line bracket so that the bracket compose post and rail between the two-piece line bracket set. Secure panel to bracket using carriage bolt and hex nut combination. When using the U-type fastener, the flat mount bracket can be attached to any flat surface. Using a tape measure, lay out the correct bracket location on the post to match the intended fence panel. Position the flat mount bracket horizontally in the center of the post. Attach flat mount bracket to post using a cockles drill and hex hat driver. The bracket was attached to the face of the post using a self-drilling hex hat screw. Secure panel to bracket using carriage bolt and hex nut combination. Once posts are set, fence panels are easily installed using one of the three bracket options. Attach panel to bracket using the provided fasteners. High Titanly fastener to allow any final adjustment once panel are fixed to brackets. Finish panel height when locating panel. Off grade. Approximately 5 centimeters as per QYM production drawings. Using a measuring tape, measure the distance between the picket and post to confirm that both sides of the panel are run equal distance away from the post. Using a socket set, tighten all brackets to panel fasteners. When installing montage on a slope, confirm that your post spacing measures 2.5 meters as agreed. Position a fence panel with a slope indicator pointing downhill. The V indicator is located on the end of the rail. Panel racking options. Option 1. With the panel resting on the grade, pull uphill until the rail is parallel to the grade. Option 2. Attach panel to post on the uphill side, then pull panel into the downhill brackets. QYM's engineer will also adjust the fence design to match special slope regions. When post dimensions are less than the required 2.5 meters, panels will need trimming to fit the post spacing requirements. For trimming a panel, you will need a saw or hacksaw, masking tape, file and Ameristar primer and paint pen. In this example, The inside post spacing measures 2.35 meters. The panel width measures 2.4 meters, leaving a difference of 5 centimeters, allowing 0.6 centimeters for brackets on each side of the panel. The panel will need to be trimmed 6.2 centimeters. So the panel will need to be trimmed equally on each side, 3.1 centimeters. Score this dimension on each end of the rail, and mark your cut with masking tape to prevent any unnecessary scarfing. With safety in mind, support the panel and cut completely through each rail. Remove any rough edges with the file, as well as any debris and metal shaving from the cut area. Marker a new bracket hole in the center of a rail, and drill completely through the rail using the appropriate tools. Using the primer and paint pen to cover the cut area, the trim panel is now ready to be installed. Take a measurement of the top and bottom of the panel to confirm equal spacing on both sides between the post and the adjacent picket. Tighten all fasteners to finish the initiation.